112 ponies. Let her go, baby. Come on. Will it run? Welcome back to Road Trip Garage. We've got a Camaro. Our Camaro's been in the garage for a very long time because I can't seem to get it to run properly. Idle. Basically what's happening is I thought it was deadheading, which it might have been. We burnt through a couple of fuel pumps. Part of the problem though is at idle, she'll flood. So I talked to my buddy Tom. You remember Tom? He helped us with the gauge cluster on our Sonoma. Anyways, Tom was good enough to come and we spent a couple hours diagnosing the old girl. And what we came up with, he come up with, and I went, yes please, is that the carburetor, despite the fact that I rebuilt it, had a problem. So, ta-da! Look at it. All by itself, not attached to its family, just lonely. Well, the reason why it's lonely is because I took it off and I brought it in and I had it done, professionally done. So what was happening was at idle, I was getting fuel coming out of the overflow and even out of the seal on the accelerator pump. So either I didn't set the float properly or I messed up the needle. I really don't know what I did wrong, but I brought it in, had it done, and now what we're gonna do is put this girl back on the car, fire it up, and see, cross our fingers, if she will finally live. So, without further ado, here we go. Okay, here we go. Let's take a peek. I got my 4 nuts down, vacuum lines connected, linkage connected. All right, I've been using this for my overflow as a test. Oh, there we go. Now, let's pour a little fuel all over the engine. Come on. Let's fill that bowl. Okay, that'll work. I'm gonna set you here. Oops. In case something doesn't go well. Let's try it. Come on. Come on. I know my choke circuit doesn't work, so I know she's got to warm up. Woo. Okay, let's try again. gas. I know we're getting fuel because it's coming back on the return. Oh shit. You see that? Dang it, we're leaking. Okay, I'm gonna shut it off, tighten that up. Stand by. Okay, I think I got it tightened. Let's try it again. Oops. Come on, baby, go, go, go. Oh. All right. Okay, let's see. Are we still leaking? No, we got it. Okay, I had to tighten this right here. That's where the fuel filter is. So listen, it's a little low on fuel. I'm gonna grab a jerry can, put some fuel into it, and let it idle. We'll see if it clears up. I'll come right back. All right, I couldn't get the idle down for the life of me, and then I realized that I'm a meathead because I had this vacuum line completely disconnected. So of course it was idling to the moon and back. I think what I'm gonna do now is I have to take this return line and send it back into the tank. And unfortunately, I can't use the line, the proper return line, because when I put the new sending unit into the fuel tank, that line is right to the bottom of the tank. So when there's fuel in it, it's basically deadheaded. So the vent line coming from the old canister, it does not deadhead. So I'm going to connect the return line to that, clean up this mess, and see if this thing may even drive down the road. So let me make my connections here. I'll show you what I did, and then we'll cross our fingers and see if maybe we can let this car be used. So my proper return line is right there. You can see that little line sticking out. But again, that's deadheaded. So what I'm gonna do is connect it to this line right here. Now, like I said, that's a vent line that used to run to the canister. Of course we're emissions compliant. So So yeah, let me make that connection, put the air breather on, and there, better? Okay, we've got her buttoned up. Let's see what happens. She's still missing. Okay. I might have foul plugs now, I'm not sure. Alright, let's see what happens. Oh, I need this mirror. Hang tight. Hey, look at that. It's only been a month and a half since she's been out of the garage. Oh, no, she's not happy. Alright. Wish me luck. Thanks. Go up the road, see if it'll survive that far. Come on, baby. Ooh, she doesn't sound good. Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that. Okay. She's all right. She seems to be cleared. No, that's a lie. I lied. Oh, there we go. Once we get over about 2,000 RPM, she sort of clears up. But I mean, before it wouldn't go anywhere. It was just dead. So. See? Sputter, not happy. She doesn't want to come up. When she gets past 2, she gives me all 6 again. Alright, we're going to take it down the highway. Okay, I've gone about half a mile, 3/4 of a kilometer. She's starting to clear. She sounds better. All 112 ponies. Let her go, baby. Come on. Woo-wee. Feel the wind in my hair. Wow, what little bit of hair I got. Stop sign here and stop before I get on the highway. I just want to see what she does. She's idling a bit on the higher side, but I don't think it's terrible. I'm not an expert on the Big Bad 2.8, but I think I smell fuel. Maybe not. Okay, here we go. Oh, look at that. She's firing in all 6. Here we go. We have hope, guys. We have hope. I've lost track of how many times I'm trying to get this thing going, but I thought I had it the last few times. Hopefully, cross our fingers. I don't think I got it and showed it to you. This here, that's my vent line right there. So it wasn't connected to the tank. So it just puked fuel all over the ground. Look at that. the worst thing I gotta deal with. Okay. Well, we made it home. We went and took it for a quick bath, cleaned her up, and as of right now, I'm gonna knock on wood, she runs great. It is idling high. I'm gonna have to figure out how to adjust that. She's revving at about 2 grand, which is not okay. But when I come to a stoplight, it doesn't flood the car. So, Uncle Kenny, you are the man. Thank you very much.